मेरे पास सिर्फ 2000 के नोट है, 500 और 1000 नहीं है. I think it's a great step.
You know, I'm not so worried about myself because I have a card, a credit card, and a debit card. But I know that there are a lot of people who don't. And I think people who rely on, money every day, vegetable vendors, house help, etc., etc., I think it's really hard for them. मैंने जो भी अपने पास था सब बांट दिया है एक्चुअली, और मैं अभी कार्ड से गुजारा कर रही हूँ, which is what I think everybody wants. But at least I've distributed whatever I had because I couldn't bear to see everybody looking so stressed out around me. So yeah. जी
आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई?
नहीं, लाइक आई सेड मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है, बट आई नो कि इंडिया एक बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है और बहुत सारे लोग हैं, एंड स्पेशली इन स्मॉल टाउन्स, इन विलेजेस, आई एम श्योर उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. आई एम वॉचिंग द लाइन्स आउटसाइड. आई नो द मूव इज़ वेरी गुड एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर कंट्री. It is a very important thing to do, but I know that a lot of people are facing a lot of difficulty. So I'm trying to help as much as I can.
अगर करप्शन हटाना है तो, और जब करप्शन इतना ज़्यादा हो तो शायद थोड़ा हार्ड स्टेप लेना ज़रूरी होता है. आई थिंक इट्स स्टिल अर्ली टू कॉमेंट ऑन how it will go because there are certain practicalities attached to the change in currency and the notes that have been changed. So it's going to be difficult. Everybody is finding it difficult. I'm sure we will also find it difficult. But if it leads to less corruption, if it leads to less black money, if it leads to less fake money, which is also a very big issue that we've been facing, then I think it's a bold step and I think it's in the right direction.
You know, I think कुछ सोच के ये बात की गई है और आई होप इट इज़ फॉर द गुड. अच्छा है और आई थिंक पीपल आर फॉलोइंग इट, और उससे थोड़ी तकलीफ़ हो रही है आम जनता को, लेकिन अगर ये तकलीफ़ कुछ अच्छा ला सकती है आगे तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स मोस्ट वेलकम.
I don't think anyone settled down. It's been a shock for everybody. So.
But do you think this good in the long run?
I don't know. I mean, there's a reason why I'm not into politics is because I don't understand it, which is why I'm an actor. So I don't think I can comment on it. All I can say is I hope people, and I hope the people responsible know what they're doing and they're doing something for the good of the country, and that's all I can say. Fingers crossed, and let's hope everything's for the good, right?
Absolutely. I think it was high time, and I won't comment too much on it, but I think it was an exceptional move by the government and by the minister, and I would like to congratulate them on that.
I think I've tweeted and I've expressed my feelings on Twitter, and that's as much as I'd like to say on that. I think it's a very, very bold initiative, and as citizens, we all should take part and go through these immediate problems that we are facing right now, and in the long run and for the larger good of the nation, this is going to help us all. So let's all stick together and support this.
हाँ ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ किया है तो it's we voted for the government, so
जी फॉर्चुनेटली फॉर मी पर्सनली इतनी दिक्कत नहीं हुई, बट एज आई एम ड्राइविंग अराउंड द सिटी एंड सीइंग जो लोग बेचारे खड़े हुए हैं बैंक्स के बाहर, ये काफ़ी उनको दिक्कत हुई है. एंड आई विश इट वाज प्लान्ड स्लाइटली बेटर. इट्स अ ग्रेट मूव इन प्रिंसिपल, लेकिन आई थिंक लॉजिस्टिकली अगर ये ज़्यादा बेटर प्लान होता तो जो कॉमन मैन है उनके लिए इतनी दिक्कत नहीं होती.